Now that you understand how arrays are put together, you probably won't be surprised to learn that multidimensional arrays are constructed basically the same way. A two-dimensional array is an array of array objects. This program shows 3 different ways to create a two-dimensional array. This is the declaration of the reference to a two-dimensional array of short values. In this program, the brackets are on the right, but they could just as well have been put on the short declaration over to the left. This declares an array containing 5 members. Each member of the array can hold a reference to a single-dimensional array. That is, this line of code creates an array of references to single-dimensional arrays. Finally, this group of single-dimensional arrays is created and stored in each of the 5 references. The result is that there is a single reference pointing to an array of references, and each member of the array of references is pointing to an array of short values. There is an added feature to building an array this way. It doesn't have to be square. The individual arrays could all be different lengths. Here's a shorter method of creating a two-dimensional array. It does exactly the same thing. It just does it without you having to write each individual line of code creating a single-dimensional array. This one statement does the whole thing. You could actually do the whole thing in one line. This line declares a reference to a two-dimensional array and, at the same time, constructs all the arrays necessary to complete the entire two-dimensional array. But it doesn't stop here. You can use the same construction techniques to build 3-dimensional arrays, 4-dimensional arrays, and so on.